Paradise is really just a series of tasks that we've placed on 4 treadmills. And we've broken these treadmills up into 4 worlds. The one that I'm on is survival. The one that Claire is on is admin. The one that Dominic is on is performance. And the one that William is on is called leisure. The tasks that we will try to complete on these treadmills tonight are as follows. For survival, we'll be preparing and cooking a 3-course meal. For the salad course, we will be cooking salad à la balsamique. And for the main, we will be making pasta, handmade from scratch. Vino, we're going to start with boiling the water. Let's grab your pennies to get out your bottles. Order up! Turn around. I lose the name. Turn up! On the admin treadmill, we will write and submit a grant application.
Free or ticketed? Heads up for free.
What else is on the list?
Heads up for ticketed.
Hey, those 2 people who called out about the volunteers before, would you be comfortable if I called you consultants?
Right, the next question is, speaking of opportunities, are there opportunities for the mayor to speak? I need to
On the performance treadmill, we will perform 4 times for you across the evening. That is the question, or to take arms
To New Orleans, where that volunteer.
And on the leisure treadmill, you may spy a whiteboard, a to-do list, maybe half the things that you couldn't fit in during your week, so you've crammed them into your weekend.
Happy birthday!
To play ball. So we sat in the house.
If we do not complete all 5 of these tasks, that is, beat our personal best running distance, complete this to-do list, perform for your viewing pleasure, submit a grant application, and cook and serve a 3-course meal, we will be offering out of our own pockets our audience ticket refunds. If we do complete all 5 tasks, we don't have to give you refunds.
Baby takes the morning train. He works from 9 to 5, and then he takes another to find me waiting for.
They have run 20.42!
Out of the 5 shows we've done so far, we've failed 4 of them.